This is a 2019 Mercedes GLC. Today we've retrofitted Apple CarPlay. We hold the return button down. This will then select CarPlay, and we can go through the menu system and select which music we want. Play or pause, or forward. We can access our phones, mapping, and return to the home page. This will then give you your phone, your music, maps, messages, access to your podcasts. It's all controlled by the jog dial and pressing enter to select the function. For further information, contact Hewitt's in-car specialists, www.hewitts.com.